my Diamond Art Peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are returning, as always, thank you for your continuous support. Today we're going to do I have one completion and then an unboxing. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. It was really, I had a great day. My daughter and I went, every year we do this 5K, it's called a turkey trot. I walk it, my daughter, she runs it, and so we do that, and then we go to Cracker Barrel for breakfast, and then I just kind of hung out at home and diamond painted pretty much all day because I have to work tomorrow. So we just got back from visiting my niece and her husband and their family, and so it's just been a pretty good day. So I thought, you know, I wanted to do this video and get it up before I get into my turkey coma and fall asleep. So here we go. So the first is I'm going to do this completion. I got this, I ordered this, oh my gosh, probably back in the summer, maybe even spring, I'm not quite sure. This is from Shein, and it's I just call it the butterfly cat, 40 by 30. I started this on October the 28th, and I finished it on November the 20th. I had started it, and then I was kind of doing some of the working on the events, so I then kind of put it off to the side, went back to the events, and now I thought I wanted to get it finished. When I originally did a unbagging of this, I was kind of concerned about it because the canvas was like, I don't know, it was like really busy, and there was a lot, it felt like there was like so many symbols and letters and everything on it that I was afraid to see how the rendering was, but it did pretty good. You know, it is actually better in the camera, but it's not bad. It is not bad. This is 20 colors. The DMC numbers are on here. The rendering, like I said, is fair. The drill field, there were some places where it was kind of faded, and so it was kind of hard to see the letters or the symbols, and so that was kind of a pain. But other than that, there was the drills themselves were really good. Now I did use, because there was no ABs, but I did use ABs in the wings. And the butterfly, of all things, turned out, I think, really the best. But it's, like I said, it's not bad. This, like I said, 40 by 30. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Obviously, it's a round. So that's it. That is it. All right. So my next thing is I got this from Amazon. And let me see if I can find my information on it. I will find it. I'll keep looking. We'll open this. So, Diamond Painting with Sweet Tea. If you have not checked out her channel, please do. I actually got this, well, she did an unboxing on her channel, and I was like, I have got to get this. So it's storage. All right, so let me open. So how many of you guys have to go back to work tomorrow? Am I the only sad one? I hope that the day will go kind of fast and hopefully maybe get out early. Who knows? Who knows? I'm trying to do this so that I don't like stab myself on camera. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. So cool, so cool. Look at that. You guys, I have this written down. I'm finding it. I'm finding it. I have kind of gone storage crazy. But this is a 60 bottle. Oh no, I know it's in here. I know it. Now, when I went to look at this on Amazon, it was actually on sale for $12.99, and this was originally $30, $30 and some change. So I was like, oh yeah, I am definitely getting this. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. All right. So 60 jars. So we have some baggies, 2 green boats, a funnel, let's see if I can open this. All right. I'm trying really hard not to stab myself on camera. Okay. Or do I need to go this way? No? I think it's this way. Okay, it's kind of interesting, but that's okay. That's okay. I think it'll still work. So a funnel. And a straightener. Some tweezers. And they have 4 pink pens. And they all have different size multi-placers on them. Like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pieces of wax. And then a bigger boat. This is what I really am excited about. And then a little mesh bag that you can use for whatever or whenever you go any place on a little trip and take your diamond painting with you, you can use. And then some stickers. So it's big size. So this is really cool. I can't wait. Since I kind of, oh, okay. So it comes out great. So since I kind of went crazy and ordered a bunch of huge canvases, So I have, I can't wait to hit them up, because I have a, like, oh my gosh, I kind of like went really nuts. Okay. As soon as I finish my video, I'll find it. But right now, I'm struggling. There's the butterfly. So while I'm looking for this, I do want to talk to you guys about the upcoming event for next month with Diamond Grandma. She is doing a hashtag Forest Friends, and that starts in December 1st. And so that is going to be, she's going to co-host that with, and I have it, because I don't want to say it incorrectly. I wrote these down. I'm so, oh, here we go. Okay, so I found the slides. All right, I am struggling here, guys. Just a second. Just a second. I just wrote it down. Okay, so she is co-hosting with Becky's Diamond Bling. Okay, so it is going to be hashtag Forest Friends, and if you are wanting to enter that event, then you have to be a member, subscribe to both Diamond Grandma's page, YouTube channel, and also Becky's channel. Okay. And then I told you guys that I would get the name of all the people that are going to be co-hosting with her next year. But let me go over this real quick before I lose this. So this is at Mamora, and I'm saying that horribly wrong. It's ADMAIORA, 60 slot diamond painting storage. Like I said, I paid $12.99. Original was $30.99. So, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, when Sweet Tea did an unboxing, I think she did $14, but maybe not. But it was $12, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to jump on that. So I'm really excited about that. Okay, so for the entire year of 2023, Diamond Grandma is doing a different event every month. So the first in January is hashtag DP Big Butts 23. And her co-host for January is Sharon from Pencil Surprises. February is hashtag Show Me Your Flag 23. And that is Crafting with V. And on the Big Butts, it could be a person. It could be an animal, anything. It is in the Big Butts is kind of, they're going with the theme for obesity month. And then Show Me Your Flag is anything that has to do with your state. It could be the flag. It could be the state bird, or a flower, or whatever it is that is to deal with your state. And then in March is hashtag Jungle Fever 23, and that is with me, Diamond Painting with Jack. And again, anything jungle related, animals, anything. Okay. April, hashtag My Garden 23, and April is with Coffee and Diamonds. May is hashtag Barn Life 23. And that is Miss Crafty Girl 42. June is hashtag Something Fishy 23. And June is with Snuggles, Snuggies Crafting Corner. July is hashtag Grandma's Christmas 23. And that's the Becca JB. The Becca JB. August, hashtag Beach Life 23, and that's going to be with Diamond Painting with Sweet Tea. She loves the beach, so that was like a no-brainer for her. September is hashtag Under the Moon 23. September, and that's going to be Dawn's Life. November, hashtag hashtag DG Birthday 23. And she always, and that's for Diamond Grandma's, her birthday is in November, so she picks landscapes, so that's what that's going to be about. Oh, I think I missed October. So November is going to be Enza's Diamond Paintings Gallery. October is hashtag Fall Y'all 23. And that's going to be Connie's This and That. December is going to be hashtag Oh No Snow 23. And that is going to be Addicted to Diamond Painting. And I will list these all in my description. Okay? So I think I got everybody. And I think I got everybody. So just a quick little thing to get on to show you my completion, and then also my unboxing of my new storage. I think that, like Diamond Grandma and Sweet Tea, they are addicted to pens. I think I'm addicted to storage, because when I saw Sweet Tea doing this, unboxing this, I was like, oh my God, it's so pretty. I love the pink flamingos on there. And 60 is a good size. Okay. All right, guys, so that's all I've got. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving and didn't eat too much, or if you did, you enjoyed everything that you had. So we'll be talking to you later. Remember to be kind to one another, and be careful out there tomorrow if you're going out to do any Black Friday shopping. Like I said, I have to work, so that limits my shopping. So anyway, so be kind to one another, and remember to stay cool and keep diamond painting. Bye, guys.